Anyone who have any queries about the exam? Okay. See, there are many students who come to me and they say that recordings and the format. So format, if we talk about, then uh, we have a question paper of 30 marks, in which the common questions will be about, I'll tell you about the questions. There will be MCQs, okay? There will be 1 mark questions where you have to write. Again, there will be 4 marks questions where again you have to write and show your production skills. And there will be a long question of 8 marks. What can be covered in those questions and which are the probable questions which would come in the exam? I'll talk about those in detail in our coming class. So our coming class will be only about the probable questions which could come and how you should prepare. Okay. So that's altogether a separate class. Talking about the recorded lectures, see, I'll tell you very honestly, those who attend my class regularly, those who come, those who speak, I'm sure that they won't face any difficulties in the exam. But those who have never appeared in the class, do you think they can learn the language in just one day? What are your opinion? Looking at the videos, tell me which all topics we have covered. हमने आज तक कितने topics किए class में? Can someone tell me? From the beginning till now, कितने topics हमने cover किए? Anyone? Right from the first day till now? If you
Yes,
have
sir.
taken the notes, Imja, can you tell us that which all topics are covered so far?
Yes, sir. So we started with the introduction and then we went on to the articles.
Okay.
Then we did the numbers
Mm-hmm.
and the greetings for like good morning and thank you and all of that. And
Okay.
then we did the days of the week
Mm-hmm.
and the questions related to that.
Okay.
Then entire that family and the concept of my family and all of that we did.
Okay. We also talked about how to describe a family.
Yes, sir. Then we did the entire for informal communication.
Okay, between two people.
And then we came to describing the family and seasons.
Seasons describing family. Okay. Then talking about the verbs. Which verbs we have learned?
First group verbs,
First group verbs. For example,
manger and j'aime
okay,
and aimer and
manger, aimer. And when we talked about manger, we also learned some vocabulary related to food, right?
yes, sir.
Then we talked about aimer. And last time
Yes,
we talked about être, if I'm not wrong.
yes, sir. We have also done numbers till 60
Numbers till 60. When we
and
learned
the
the numbers
time.
till 60, yes, talking about the time. When we learned how to use être verb, we also learned some professions, right? Professions.
So I cannot recall professions.
Professions is covered or that topic is left. If it is left, I'll do it today.
So
There is nothing to
actors
worry.
and that we are
That,
doing, but then I
don't
don't
worry.
remember that we completed it or not. And we started about like making the sentence and all.
Okay, okay. So fine, no worries. I'll cover that topic one more time. Okay. So that is left. So far, I'm just ensuring that all the classes are on the same page. We all are going together, and that's what I'm ensuring right now. Now assume that we have learned around 18, 17 to 18 topics, isn't it? Is it possible for someone who is not aware about the language to learn those all 17 topics just in one night looking at the videos? Himja, do you think so?
No, sir, because a new language you cannot sit and do ratification.
Yes, exactly. So can you learn dancing just in one night? The answer is the same for a language, right? So my concern is for those who haven't joined the class, who haven't come in the class, and I'm not sure that what phase you're going through, what's happening in your life, or uh, you are supposed to work somewhere. I'm not sure about your financial condition. If it's a necessity to work somewhere, go somewhere, and you're not able to attend the classes, it's altogether a different story. If you're living in a village wherein you don't have proper network facilities, I have, I can understand that what it feels not to attend the lectures. But my concern is for those who are not in a position, I mean, to do anything else for the family, who are just free, they can contribute, they can come to the class and they are not attending the lectures. See, guys, by doing so, it's not a loss of anyone else's, but it's your own loss. If you are just free, if you have nothing much to do in your life right now at this age, you must not be having a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders apart from studying. And still, if you're not attending the lectures because you just feel lazy to do so, then it's a loss. It's a big loss, right? So be regular. I haven't ever forced anyone to come regularly in the class, but my suggestion, or you can take it as an advice, come to the class. आपको कुछ तो नया सीखने को मिलेगा, rather than just sitting idle at home or doing nothing. This phase is so that we have to accept it the way it is, right? और कोई option नहीं. I don't like studying, I don't like teaching online, and the same way you must not be liking it to learning online. But do we have any other option? No, we have to accept it. So जब तक, until we are in a comfort situation, we have to get adjusted to this situation, right? So let's accept it, let's embrace the situation, and जितना हो सके उतना हम लोग पढ़ें. My ultimate goal is that, let me tell you, see, अगर मुझे syllabus complete करना होता मैं 2 दिन में कर देता. Give me 2 days, I'll complete the entire syllabus. But that is not what my target is. I am trying all the possible things which I could. I'm trying to motivate all, right? I'm trying to make the sessions as interactive as possible so that you can learn it. I'm also focusing a lot on the pronunciation, because my target is that after completion of this semester, those who want to claim the certificate from the French Education Ministry, official certificate if you want to get in French language, you should be able to claim that. After the classes are over, once the semester ends, and then if you tell someone that you know French, it doesn't make sense. But if you show a document, and you can only mention that you know French in your resume if you have the certification, right? My target is that appear for that exam and claim a certificate which can certify you as a French speaker, basic speaker. But yes, you are a certified speaker who has claimed a certificate from the official government of the France, and that certificate is valid for the lifetime. In any country you go, that certificate will add values. If in case you're going to Canada, through that certificate you can get jobs easier than the others of your level, right? You can also get admissions in better universities if you plan to do PG course in European countries. There are so many advantages, and since the language has come in this BBA, the maximum benefit you can take out of it in your masters. तो मेरा ये टारगेट है कि एटलीस्ट कोई ना कोई एक पर्सन तो क्लास में से होना चाहिए, द वन who is appearing for that exam and he or she is clearing that exam. That is what my target is. For that, I'm already stretching my limits, right? I'm stretching my limits, and those who are interested for this, आपको कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, जो क्लास में हर रोज चल रहा है वही करते रहो, and keep practicing at home. I'm sure you'll get a lot of benefit out of it. Fine. So we will learn the professions first. We'll have a quick look at it, and then we'll talk
Excuse me,
about.
sir.
Hold on. I'm not sure who is speaking. Yes, Manish, tell me.
Sir, what will be the syllabus for the mid-sem?
Midsem syllabus, whatever we have covered so far, right? It will be numbers 0 to 60. It will be days of the week. Today we are going to learn months of the year. So months of the year will come in the exam. Then topic of, grammar topic, we had talked about due, dala, they. When we want to quantify something, I eat some fruits. So for that, some we have to put something, due, dala, they. Remember that? That small topic of grammar will come in the exam. The conjugaison of manger, aimer, être. forming sentences using those verbs may come, introducing yourselves will come, and using the correct form of conjugazo, it will come. So I'm going to give you some sample questions in the next lecture. That this is the topic, these are the topics we have covered so far, and from this topic, this is the probable question which could come. It will help you be prepared better for the exam.
Sir, I'm still confused. You told that whatever we have covered
Yeah.
or whatever we will cover till mid-sem. So
See, how many lectures are left till midsem, Manish?
this week,
This week, in this week, how many lectures we have?
one more lecture.
Right? And what I said that in next lecture, what we are going to do.
We'll discuss the content of mid-sem.
So do you think much will be covered? Will that make any difference?
Yes, sir, that will make a difference because even two topics are important. If we will miss that, we will not be able to cover the marks of that too.
See, practically we have today's lecture. I said that whatever we have covered, or if I would have said that whatever we will cover, both sentence mean that we have this lecture only. Am I right or wrong? So in this 30 minutes of time, what all can we cover? Do you think that we can cover the massive syllabus?
No, this depends upon your pace.
Yes, it depends upon your pace rather mine, right?
Yes.
And right? So a very small part which we are going to cover in today's lecture. So don't be so much afraid of the syllabus exam. I always say that took language as the skills. Exams are there to evaluate, but again, the evaluation method is not something which I agree. This is not just a way to evaluate students on the language. We can't just ask students to write and we evaluate them.
Yes, sir, but we are left with no option
Yes,
other than this. So
right.
that's why I have to ask ki, what is the syllabus. Otherwise,
Exactly.
there will be confusion ki this will be included or not, this will be
Right.
covered in the midsem or not. So,
Right. No worries.
as you told
I'll
from
share
the
the
first day that this is a language and language can be only tested at Viva. This I
yes,
think
exactly.
personally, but the management
That is
decision
what I
cannot be.
that is what I believe too. Language can be tested through Vivas, but unfortunately, looking at the strength of students, it looks bit difficult. So no worries. You don't need to worry. It's my responsibility, and I can assure you right away one thing that if any topic comes in the exam which I have not covered, I'll give you the marks for that. Okay, you can claim that, sir, this topic was not covered, and it will be on me to give you the marks. Okay, so rest assured, there'll not be any kind of unfair from my side in your exam. Okay, so now we start. Uh, Focus on DELF. Guys, I always insist you to do so. Focus on DELF exam. आपको DELF clear करना होगा. अगर आप इसको थोड़ा, if you look at it proactively, look at the exam which I'm talking about. Just a second. Okay. So this is the list. Himja, had we covered this?
So actor we had done, but I'm not sure
Okay.
about the
Best.
rest.
Okay, fine.
No, sir.
We have done it, Chelsea?
No, sir.
Okay, we haven't. Okay, fine. So see, in English we have certain professions. So I've just tried to get some basic professions which we use in our daily lives in speaking and writing. There are so many professions, so but I'm sure it's endless. The list is endless. But here I've tried to get some basic professions. So actor, actress, artist, dentist. This is the only profession in English. The what I've listed right now, which is gender specific. If we say actor, we mean to say that the actor is male. If we say actress, the gender is female. But in French, we have different genders for masculine. I mean, we have different profession based on the gender. Okay, I've highlighted a few genders which are different for male and female. These are the highlighted professions which are gender specific, and those which are not gender specific, we just have to use a or yun, right? We just have to add a or yun to differentiate them. So let's begin. Actor, actress, we call an actor, yun actress. Okay, can you repeat? An actor, yun actress. An actor, yun actress. Anyone?
An actor, an actress.
Très bien. An actor, yun actress. Actress. Uh, can someone try to read this? Can you just try to read this?
Sir, may I?
Akshat, yes, please.
And dentist,
Acha,
Yunan dentist.
okay. A dentist. Always remember that whenever we have en, it will be o. It will give a o sound. O. So a dentist, yun dentist. A dentist, yun dentist. And this one, n will be spoken or not? Will n be spoken or not?
No, sir.
In this
Yes,
one,
sir. Yes, sir.
here it will be spoken. Yes. So we'll say what you said, Akshat, where n will not be spoken. Here it will be spoken because it starts with a vowel. An artist, yun artist. Okay. An artist, yun artist. A dentist, yun dentist. A dentist, yun dentist. A medicine, yun medicine. So doctor is also be called doctor. Doctor is doctor as well. But it's more appropriate a medicine. It's not medicine. Medicine is different. We call it medicamo. But doctor is medsa, yun medsa. Okay. So EM will be again O, employee, unemployee, yun employee. Unemployee, yun employee. An actor, yun actress. An artist, yun artist. A dentist, yun dentist. A medicine, yun medicine. An employee, yun employee. Can someone repeat? Can someone repeat till now?
An actor, yun actress. An artist, yun artist.
Okay.
A dentist, you dentist.
Yun
A
dentist.
medesa, you medesa. An employee, yun employee.
Très bien. So that's excellent. Always remember whenever we have a word which ends with in, it will be a. That's why we call medsa. Anyone else? Anyone else who can
Sir,
come
may
and read? Vedangi, please.
An actor, yun actress. An artist, yun artist. An dentist, yun dentist. An medesa, yun medesa. An employee, yun employee.
Très bien. Yashvi, you wanted to speak?
Yes.
Please go ahead.
An actor, yun actress. An artist, yun artist. A dentist, you dentist. A medesa, yun medesa. An employee, yun employee.
Très bien. C'est parfait. Okay. Engineer. So here we have an extra E for feminine, the way we had for employee. An engineer, yun engineer. An engineer, yun engineer. A policier, yun policier. A policier, yun policier. So pay attention. I'm speaking N here, but I'm not speaking N here. An engineer, un ingénieur, une ingénieur, un policier, une policier. Some of the professions, they are like this. For masculine, it ends with R. For feminine, it ends with USE. USE. A chanteur, une chanteuse. A chanteur, une chanteuse. A dancer, une danseuse. Une danseuse, sorry. A dancer, une danseuse. This is done. Un étudiant, une étudiante. Une étudiante. It's very simple for teacher. Professor is also called, but the short form works everywhere. A prof, une prof. A prof, une prof. Un écrivain, une écrivain. Un écrivain, une écrivain. Okay, I repeat. Un ingénieur, une ingénieur. Un policier, une policier. A chanteur, une chanteuse. A dancer, une danseuse. Un étudiant, une étudiante. A prof, une prof. Un écrivain, une écrivain. Right? Okay. Who will come and read all the professions? All the professions. Anyone?
Sir, may I?
Neha, please go ahead.
An actor, une actrice, an artist, une artist, a dentist,
Dentist?
une dentist, une
Dentist.
dentist,
Mm-hmm.
a medicine, medsa, une medsa, an employee, une employee,
Une employee.
une employee,
Employee.
employee,
Mm-hmm. An engineer.
an engineer, une engineer,
Mm-hmm.
an policer, une policier,
Mm-hmm.
an theater, une
Chanter.
theater,
Chantas. A chanter.
chanter,
Une
a
chantas.
an chanter, une chantis, an dancer, an dancer, une dancey, an
Dancers.
dances, an étudiant, une étudiante,
Beyond. Okay.
étudiant, a prof, une prof,
A prof. Une prof.
une prof, an écrivain, une écrivain.
Un écrivain. Une écrivain. C'est parfait. Très bien. Anyone else? Who else?
May I?
Sir, may I?
Okay, great. So Yashvi and then Vedangi.
Okay. An actor, une actrice, an artist, une artist, a dentist, une dentist, a medesa, une medesa, an employee, une employee, an engineer, une engineer, a policier, une policier, a chanteur, une chanteuse, a dancer, une danseuse, an étudiant, une étudiante, a prof, une prof, an écrivain, une écrivain.
Amazing. No mistakes. Yes, Vedangi.
An actor, une actrice, an artist, une artiste, un dentist, une dentiste, un médecin, une médecin, un employé, une employé, un ingénieur, une ingénieur, un policier, une policier, un chanteur, une chanteuse, un danseur, une danseuse, un étudiant, une étudiante, un prof, une prof, un écrivain, une écrivain.
C'est parfait. Super. Okay. Had we talked about this part? चलो अभी एग्जाम के बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं, एक एग्जाम के क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात करते हैं जो शायद आ सकता है, which can perhaps come. Had we talked about this? So if I want to say that my name is, I say Jamapel. What do we say his name is? How to read? His name is
Il s'appelle.
très bien, Elzapel. And for a girl, her name is?
Elle s'appelle.
Yes, perfect. Elzapel, Elzapel. Jamapel is my name is. Elzapel, his name is. Elzapel is her name is. ठीक है, चलो. You have to make sentences using the verb être with the professions. ठीक है. So everyone has to speak 2 sentences. Okay. I'll give you which are the 2 sentences. Then I'll give you a small paragraph to speak. Okay. My father's name is your father's name, and he is a profession. So first of all, I'll try. Mon père s'appelle Mukesh. Il est un prof. Il est un prof. Retraité. Retired. You have to choose any of the professions which are listed here. आपको बाहर का कोई यूज करना है, you can do so. You can take the help of translator. If not, you can choose among the available. Now एक बहुत common है जो मैंने I've seen that businessman, right? काफी सारे students के father businessman होंगे. You can say un homme d'affaires. Un homme d'affaires. O means man. Man of business. In French, it is reversed. A man of business. Okay. So who all will respond to this question? You have to talk about your father. His name is so and so, and he is, उनका जो भी profession है आपको बोलना है. ठीक है, चलो. Who will start? Who will start?
So can you translate? He is a once.
Okay. Il est. He is, you know, he is. Il est. Okay. Vatsal, you want me to repeat the question? So the question is, आपको ऐसा बोलना है कि I'll tell you first in French. Mon père s'appelle Mukesh. Il est a prof. Retraité. My father is a retired professor, so I'll say retraité. It's not necessary to use, but you can also choose the words among the listed. Dhruti, you wanted to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Dhruti and then Yashvi, please go ahead.
Okay. Je m'appelle Anil Bhai. Il est un homme d'affaires.
Okay. इसको वापस बोलो, कैसे बोलेंगे? My father's name is?
Mon père s'appelle Anil.
Yes, mon père s'appelle. Très bien. Yashvi?
Mon père s'appelle Harshuk. Il est un homme d'affaires.
Il est the homme d'affaires. Il est, सी यहाँ पे EST के साथ ए आ रहा है, राइट? He is. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे T and U will be connected. Il est the. वैसे इल ए है, इल ए ऐसा है, बट यहाँ पे त बोला जाएगा. We'll call it il est the homme d'affaires.
Il est un homme d'affaires.
Très bien. Who else?
So may I?
Yes, Himja, go ahead. Wazi?
Mon père j'appelle Maulesh. Il est un employé.
Il est un
Employé.
employé. Très bien. Il est un employé. अच्छा, आपको बोलना हो कि ये कंपनी के अंदर, तो कैसे बोलेंगे? ओके,
At,
फॉर एग्जाम्पल
at and the company's name.
at and the company's name. I'll help you out with the sentence. Il est un employé entreprise de on entreprise the कंपनी का नाम, मान लो कि टाटा। Il est un employé on entreprise de Tata, right? Company of Tata, like this. Chalo, who else will speak? Who else will speak? Anyone else? Anyone more?
Sir, may I?
Neha, please.
Mon père j'appelle Amit. Il est homme d'affaires.
Il est homme d'affaires. Très bien. Who else? I want some more participation.
Sir, may I?
Vedangi, go ahead.
Mon père s'appelle Kirit. Il est un prof ingénieur.
Oh, great. À quelle université? À quelle université? Vedangi?
Yes, sir.
Il est un prof à quelle université?
Sir, not professor. I was trying to say he's an engineer.
Acha, okay. So
By mistake, I spoke professor.
Acha, okay, that's okay. That's okay. Now let's talk about mother. ठीक है, और मदर के साथ आप लोग बोलोगे. First of all, let's start with you. Who wants to speak? Who wants to speak? चलो, आपको कंपलसरी इसमें से कुछ वर्ड सिलेक्ट करना है. आई नो इट डजेंट मैटर वेदर योर मदर इज एक्चुअली एन इंजीनियर, एक्चुअली अ डॉक्टर और एन आर्टिस्ट, बट आपको कंपलसरी ऐसा बोलना है so that we can practice these words. ठीक, क्या हो सकता है? क्या हो सकता है? यानी guesses?
Homemaker.
Yes, homemaker, housewife. Femme au foyer. Femme au foyer. Homme means man. Femme means a lady. Foyer means something which is related to the that home. Femme au foyer. Okay. So you have to compulsorily use some of the professions here. I first of all I'll speak. Okay. Ma mère s'appelle Mira. Elle est une, I'll say, elle est une ingénieur. Elle est une ingénieur. I'll connect. Now your turn.
May I?
Yes, Himja, go ahead.
Ma mère j'appelle Anju. Elle est femme au foyer.
Elle est une femme au foyer. Elle est une femme au foyer. Okay, so femme au foyer is gone, and I talked about engineer. Someone has to speak something else.
May I?
Yes, Yashvi.
Ma mère j'appelle Rekha. Elle est une chanteuse.
Très bien, elle est une chanteuse. Homme d'affaires, femme d'affaires, क्यों नहीं? femme d'affaires भी हो सकता है. Business lady, femme d'affaires. Who else wants to speak? Anyone? or then should I
Sir,
select?
may I?
Isha, yes, please speak.
Mon mère, j'appelle Charu. Il est un employee.
Elle est une employee. Employee. Elle est une employee. Elle s'appelle
Employee.
Charu. Yes. Chalo. Now, do you want to get 4 marks in exam? Who all wants 4 marks in exam? No one? किसी को नहीं चाहिए 4 marks? Great. Vachal wants 4 marks. Who else? No one else? Is using. Kimja also wants 4 marks. Who else? I'm going to ask you one question. I'm writing meanwhile. Okay. You have to make 5 sentences using a verb être. Anyone is ready? Mine is done. What about yours? You have to use être, right? Oh, okay, sorry. You have to use être and you have to make 4 sentences, 5 sentences, sorry. Have you started getting the sentences? Are you getting the ideas? Yes or no? भूख लगी है सबको? Do you feel hungry today? और सुबह की चाय नहीं मिली? Why you are so silent today?
So actually, I'm unable to recollect the conjugates of être, so that's why I'm searching for that.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So that's your case. What about others? बाकी के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Vedangi, what are you doing?
Sir, I was making sentences.
Okay. So how many sentences did you make?
Sir, 4.
4. Okay, Manish, that will be overcome with practice. Don't worry. So Isha, what are you doing?
Sir, I'm searching for the conjugator. I forgot.
Okay. So let me share the conjugator with you. Neha, you have made the sentences, right? 4 sentences are done.
Yes, sir, this is an irregular verb, so we are unable to get the conjugates of.
I understand. I absolutely understand. And there is nothing wrong in it.
Sir,
Yeah, Manish.
sir, the current situation is like 2 days of French in a week.
I
That too sometimes holidays. Then speaking at mother tongue in home. Improving and building vocab in English. Then making conjugation in French. So
everything.
how can everything be in a straight
I
line?
understand. I absolutely understand. You know what is the major drawback? That we have only we have only 2 classes in 1 week, and along with that, you said that these are the all challenges which are just hovering around.
As a 2 classes, that too this semester,
Exactly.
as one of the faculty told that this is only for 4 months, 4.5 months.
अच्छा ये अपना this semester
Yes, sir. I think it will end in May.
मई के अंदर एंड होगा ना सी we have March okay fine see we have good time I'm trying to utilize the time आप लोग थोड़ा एफर्ट्स डालो इसमें मैं आपको उसके बाद थोड़ा रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस भी करवाऊंगा एंड देन आई मेक यू प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम एग्जाम का सिलेबस हमारे यहाँ पे कैसा है ना कि अब तक जो फैकल्टी थे ना आई मीन अब तक जो जो था यहाँ पे जो सिस्टम यहाँ पे चल रहा था उसमें सिर्फ ऐसा था कि चलो आप आओ और एग्जाम दो और ख़त्म करो ये सब्जेक्ट को और मैंने देखा सिलेबस इट्स वेरी बेसिक और वो बेसिक सिलेबस आपको विच विल नॉट गिव यू एनी एडिशन आप थोड़ा सिर्फ एफर्ट्स डालो एंड आई एम श्योर आप वो एग्जाम क्लियर कर पाओगे दैट इज़ वॉट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड आई नो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट आपकी करेंटली देर आर सो मेनी असाइनमेंट्स विच आर असाइन टू यू सब लोग आपको असाइनमेंट्स अभी दे रहे होंगे राइट एंड इनफैक्ट आई हैव हमारा भी वो होने वाला है क्विज विच आई ट्राई टू मेक इट द लिस्ट I mean the list which can give you headache, the list annoying. कम से कम टाइम में खत्म हो जाए आपको ज़्यादा हेडेक ना हो वैसा ही मैं आपको छोटा सा क्विज बनाऊंगा ताकि जो हमारा सीईसी का कंपोनेंट है वो भी कंप्लीट हो जाए और आपको ज़्यादा बर्डन भी ना आए बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन
Sir, after exam or before that?
नो 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 आफ्टर एग्जाम आप लोग खत्म कर दो आराम से फिर देंगे हम लोग वो ओके सो गाइस सेंटेंसेस आर डन
Yes, sir.
Himja, what have you made? Please share with us.
Je suis étudiant. Ranbir est acteur.
क्या बात है is an actor.
An actor. Then nous sommes étudiants.
Nous sommes étudiants. Yes.
Étudiants.
Mm-hmm.
Chelsea en Sontis.
Okay.
And Mukesh Ambani en un homme d'affaires.
Est un homme d'affaires.
Est un homme d'affaires.
Très bien. You have made very good sentences using all the verbs. You also used som. You also used ile. Right? So that's amazing. You also used sui. Anyone else? Anyone else? Neha, please speak your 4 sentences.
Vedangi, not me. I'm still writing, sir.
Acha, Vedangi, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please read out your 4 sentences.
Je suis une fille.
Uh-huh.
Il est professeur.
Uh-huh.
Nous sommes étudiants.
Okay.
Vous êtes professeur.
Okay.
Ils sont étudiants.
Très bien. Perfect. I'll give you some hint. I've just written it like this. Je suis étudiant. Okay, je suis के साथ नहीं आएगा. Je suis étudiant. Momer est un ingénieur. Monami est un prof. अब यहाँ पे सब मैंने A वाले use किया है, right? But we have to use the variety. So let's say if I write Ritik Roshan, you have to fill the sentence. You have to complete it. Ritik Roshan
Et un acteur.
est un acteur. Okay. Zoom. Dezami. हो सकता है ना? We are friends. Nuzom Dezami. Okay. Vous êtes Who's that?
Prof.
A prof. Right? A prof. If there is a lady, yun prof, or we can say yun artist. Try to make some similar kind of sentences. If you have already made sentences, let's quickly take a look at it and then we'll end the class. Did anyone wants to speak? Those अगर आपने मेहनत से बनाए हैं sentences तो बोलो. Anyone wants to speak?
Sir,
Yes, Imja.
the certain times you're using the word a, and there are certain sentences in which you're not using. How can we decide that in which one we have to use and which one we don't have to use?
सिर्फ ज के अंदर आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, ज के साथ अ यूज नहीं होता, बाकी सबके साथ यूज होगा.
No, sir, even the word est. A.
EST जहां पे भी इज है ना वहां पे EST आएगा ही आएगा कंपलसरी. तो मैंने कोई ऐसा सेंटेंस लिखा जहां पे EST यूज ना किया. जस्ट लेट मी टेक अ लुक एट इट. शायद गलती से हो गया होगा, बट EST जहां पे भी इज है वहां पे EST आएगा ही आएगा. लेट मी जस्ट टेक अ लुक. Okay. See, जहां पे भी इज है ना, my friend is, my mother is, father is, sister is, ऋतिक रोशन is, जहां वहां पे आएगा ही आएगा is EST.
And with R, we don't have to use anything.
No, सोम we are. अब R के अंदर 4 R है, and that is, एक ये देखो R, एक ये भी है, this is also R, this is also R, and this is also R. Based on the subjects, R differs. पर R भी सबके साथ आएगा, वो सबके साथ. सिर्फ यशस्वी के अंदर काफी बार मिसिंग होगा. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई आइडेंटिटी, बाकी सब में वी ऑल्सो यूज आर्टिकल, और ये तो कंपलसरी सब में आएंगे. I understand that.
Okay, sir.
I understand it's difficult to digest. It's difficult to digest sometimes, but जितना है उतना करो, right? जितना है उतना करो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करते रहो. Every day अगर आप ऐसे से कोई ना कोई curiosity should come. You should be curious कि इसको French में क्या बोलेंगे. The moment that curiosity will come, you will start learning by yourselves. ठीक है? So in the next class, I will talk about the exam related questions only. Okay? And the paper style as well. Meanwhile, if you are confused anywhere, मैं videos का playlist बना रहा हूँ अभी, and by today itself आपके group के अंदर I'll share the link in the Google Classroom. If you have any doubts or concerns, please feel free to approach. ठीक है? I'll guide you. I'll support you in the most possible way. Kindly insert your attendance and then you can leave the class. Okay then, see you soon. Au revoir. Bonne journée.